Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Humna and I am the creator behind Merosa. In today's video, I'll be showing you the process of creating one of my favorite design, a 3-piece white and gold mirror mosaic wall art. This design brings together the elegance of gold with the purity of white, creating a timeless piece that can transform any space. I will walk you through the early steps and then we will enjoy the time lapse of the full creation process of this art piece.
To make this 3-piece mirror mosaic set, here's everything we will need. 3 MDF boards, regular mirrors for the design, tiny gold mirrors for the outline, white mosaic stones for the finish, and of course glue and paint to bring it all together. And now let's roll into the time lapse and see how this piece comes to life.